You will please rise. On behalf of the citizens of the state of Texas, Paul Gilbert Devoe, the jury, having found you guilty of the capital murders of Haley Faulkner and Danielle Hensley, and having returned a unanimous verdict to the special issues 1 and 2, this court hereby sentences you to death by lethal injection. It is therefore the order, judgment, and decree of this court that you will be remanded to the custody of the Travis County Sheriff to be delivered to the Institutional Division of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice, where you shall be continuously confined until 6 p.m. on a future date to be determined, when the proper authorities shall administer lethal injections sufficient to cause your death.
This was sent to me by my cousin, Ashley. I am Haley's cousin. My name is Ashley. This whole thing that has happened has really screwed up my life. It's hard to be happy about anything these days. They didn't deserve to die or be killed. Haley and Danielle had their whole lives ahead of them, and Devoe took their future and dreams away from them by brutally killing them. He knew what he was doing the whole time. It wasn't an accident. If it was, he wouldn't have killed 4 other people. Haley was my best friend and cousin, and also like a sister to me. One I could go to if I needed someone to talk to. There should be no sympathy for Devoe. He killed 6 people, and for what reason?
My name is Robert Faulkner. I was Haley's grandfather. We will all miss our beautiful Haley, our youngest granddaughter, that loved with all her heart. She was full of life and loved life. She had no prejudices and only saw the good in people. You have taken her God-given right to life and happiness. These young children just growing up into womanhood, looking forward to growing up, falling in love, getting married, and having children of their own. They wanted to find happiness in the joys of life, which we all seek. You have not only destroyed that hope, but broken the hearts of everyone that loved them, especially her father, Larry, who Haley was his life. I stand as the head of the family to express our condemnation and disgust with your evil deeds. You killed on impulse innocent people you know and do not know. You kill not giving thought to anyone but yourself. You are a danger and threat to society. Those of us that are free are ones incarcerated. It is for this reason you should be destroyed and denied to live life as you have denied others.
May the innocent blood of Danielle and Haley forever be on your hands. May you see it constantly. May it be a reminder. When you're in that cell tapping your little foot, know that's all you got. And they'll be visiting you in that cell. They'll be haunting you. I have nightmares every night. I wake up to a nightmare. But Danielle and Haley will see that yours are worse. They'll be in there with you. May you always hear their screams. There was no reason for you to do what you did. If you had known Danielle, you would have liked her. She would have given you anything. She would have gave you her money. She would have gave you her anything. I don't know what else to say to you. You've ruined my life. I don't even know you.
My name's Angela Allred. I'm going to read first for my mother, Alberta Allred. Mr. Devoe, my hope is that you have an opportunity to give your heart to God, accepting Christ as your Savior, begging His forgiveness for your many sins. I'll never be able to forgive you for taking my son's life. You must now accept responsibility for your actions. That will be a new concept for you. And it's signed, Alberta Allred. Mike Allred is my brother. I don't say he was my brother, because forever in my heart, he will be my brother. Excuse me. To try and explain what you've taken from myself and my family is useless, and I know that. You could never possibly understand. My parents would like to express their hope that you establish some sort of relationship with God and take Him into your heart. They are obviously better people than I, as I have no such wish for you at this point. My primary wish is for you to die as violently as you have lived, and that you burn in hell eternally.
This is a statement written by Cindy Chilcote, who is the daughter of Betty DeHart. I hate you because you killed my dear mom. You scared her so bad and did not even care. I hate you because you took my childhood home from me, and you took my childlike faith. You took my trust that I had in people. You took my inner child, and I can't find her now. I hate you for the pain you caused my family. I hate you for the days that I have cried and will cry for my mom, and not being able to sleep at night without thinking of my mom and hearing her screaming for her life. I hate you for taking my carefree attitude that I used to have. I hate that you are still living and that 6 people are not. I hate you because you have changed me inside. I hate you because you took my holidays and turned them upside down, and now because of you, we have an empty seat at the table. I hate you because I cannot forgive you, and I was always able to forgive. I hate you because you are a taker, and that you believe that you are owed. I hate you for who you are, the lowest of the low, and that you have no regret about what you did. I hate you because you made me feel weak and vulnerable. I hate you for all the hate that you made me feel towards you, and that I will never be the person that I was before you destroyed my life.
At this time, the court remands you, Mr. Paul Gilbert Devoe, to the custody of the Travis County Sheriff's Department to be transported to the institutional division as previously ordered. You can remove Mr. Devoe from the courtroom.